Let's start the topic basic writing skill lesson 12 sentence errors which affect meaning of sentence. That's fragments. Thank you. I'm Mr. Kabada from Family English Language Improvement Center. This is the 12 parts of basic writing skill to university students. So I'll try to give examples with clear explanation. I hope you will watch the video and subscribe, like and share and write comments please. So let me start from what fragments are. Fragments is one of the kind of sentence error which is different from the rest types of sentence errors. Fragment by itself is just ideas which do not have or which do not consist complete meaning, complete type. So that's called fragment. An idea which doesn't give complete meaning. Totally, we can say that an incomplete thought. That is fragment. Yeah. Fragment ማለት አንድ የተሟላ ሐሳብን ሊሰጥ የማይችል የተቆረጠ ሐሳብን ይዞ በአረፍተ ነገር ላይ ወይም በአንድ ፓራግራፍ ራይቲንግ ላይ የሚከሰት የአረፍተ ነገርን ትርጉም ሊያፋልስ የሚችል sentence error አይነት ማለት ነው. Yes, that is fragment እንለዋለን. Definitely, please. So fragment by itself doesn't give complete meaning. So if it doesn't give complete meaning, it doesn't stand by itself. So totally fragment እንለዋለን. That's okay. Anyways, yeah. የተሟላ ሐሳብን መስጠት የማይችል ነው ካልን የተሟላ ሐሳብን እንዳይሰጥ የሚያደርጉት ወይም ፍራግመንትን ሊመሰርቱ ሊሰጡ የሚችሉ ክሎዝ ልንላቸው እንችላለን ሜቢ ፍሬዝ ልንላቸው እንችላለን ምን አይነቶች ናቸው ነው ያ fragment occurs when it begins with subordinate clauses a subordinate clause is part of sentence which doesn't stand by itself and give complete meaning. So if it is on this way, it's a kind of fragment, okay? It's a kind of fragment because the clause begins with an adverbial conjunction, and if a sentence or a clause which has an adverbial conjunction, it makes the clause dependent or subordinate, but not main clause or independent. So that's called a kind of fragment. As I know him is a fragment because it doesn't give sense, and when he comes or when she comes is a kind of subordinate clause because the conjunction when is called adverb clause of time. Although he knows the answer, this also a kind of fragment because there is a conjunction also adverb clause of contrast. These examples illustrate about how fragment occurs, especially focusing on what subordinate clause is. The other ways of forming fragment is a relative clause, yeah? አሁን relative clause ስንለው አሁን part of a sentence ነው የሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውኖችን ይዞ በአንድ ሜን ክሎዝ ላይ ተጠግቶ የሚሄድ አረፍተ ነገር we can say that relative clause እንለዋለን. relative clauseም dependent clause ነው ወይም subordinate clause ነው በራሱ ትርጉም ሊሰጥ የሚችል አይደለም ስለዚህ ለምሳሌ whom I know subordinate ወይም relative clause ነው የምትሉት which I use relative clause ነው of course whose pen is lost relative clause ነው ሲዝ where I know relative adverb ነው why he is absent relative adverb ነው when he comes relative adverb ነው because እነዚህ የተሟላ ሐሳብ ሊሰጥ የማይችሉ በራሳቸው የማይቆሙ ምን እንላቸዋለን relative clauses ወይም relative adverbs ፍራግመንትን ሊሰጡ የሚችሉ ናቸው ይሄ በዚህ መልኩ ሆነ ደግሞ complete sense አይሰጥም incomplete thought ነው ያለው incomplete thought ማለት ደግሞ በአንድ ፓራግራፍ ራይቲንግ ላይ በአንድ ኢሴ ራይቲንግ ላይ በአንድ meaningful sentence ላይ ትርጉም ሊሰጠን ካልቻለ sentence error እንለዋለን ነው ከሌሎች የሚለይበት ጉዳይ ይሄ ነው nice appositive fragment is a kind of fragment actually there are two different words and phrases but the second phrase doesn't signify for the first noun or the first subject that is an appositive phrase በአንድ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ ሁለት ሐረጎች ወይም ሁለት ቃሎች አሉ በተለይ ሁለተኛው ቃል የመጀመሪያው ቃል ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ሳይሰጥና የራሱን ችሎ ለብቻ የተለየ ትርጉም የሚሰጥ ከሆነ ፍራግመንት ነው። በኮማ አልተለየም፣ በስሞል ሌተር አልተገለጸም፣ በኮለን አልተገለጸም። so it makes the sentence fragment እንለዋለን። a fragment። አራተኛው ፍራግመንት ሊሰጥ የሚችል verbal phrase fragment። verbal phrase fragment ምንድነው? verbal phrase fragment ማለት a sentence doesn't have subject but it might have what? verb or verb phrase or in short predicate። አረፍተ ነገሩ predicate አለው፣ verb phrase አለው፣ ነገር ግን የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት የለውም። ከሌለው ደግሞ meaningful የሆነ አረፍተ ነገር ሊሰጠን ስለማይችል verbal phrase fragment ይሰጣሉ፣ ፍራግመንትን ይመሰርታሉ። ምንም ጥርጥር የለው። ሰብጀክት ሚስድ ሆኗል ማለት ነው። ኦልሬዲ ሰብጀክት የለውም ማለት ነው። ሜቢ ሲምፕል ሰብጀክት የለውም፣ ኮምፓውንድ ሰብጀክት የለውም፣ ኮምፕሌክስ ሰብጀክት የለውም፣ ጀረንድ የለውም፣ ኢንፊኒቲቭ ፍሬዝ የለውም፣ ናውን ፍሬዝ የለውም፣ ፕሮናውን የለም። ሰብጀክት አክት ሊያደርጉ የሚችሉ ነገሮች የሉም። ዛስ ካይንድ ኦፍ ፍራግመንት ነው። አምስተኛው ናውን ፍሬዝ የለውም። ናውን ፍሬዞች ፍራግመንትን ይመሰርታሉ። ምን ማለት ነው? የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት የለውም። አረፍተ ነገሩ የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ከሌለው ደግሞ ማሰሪያ ያለው ፒላሩ ምሰሶ ተጓሏል። ስለዚህ is not a kind of sentence which is called fragment. If one of these happens, that's not simply a kind of sentence but it is a fragment. ስለዚህ ፍራግመንትን ሊፈጥሩ ከሚችሉ ጉዳዮች አምስቱን ነው ለማሳየት የፈለኩት። እያንዳንዳቸው ምሳሌ ማስቀመጥ ሞክራለሁ። let's come please. subordinate clause ስንል these are subordinate clause please. fragment adverse of contrast for instance although even though even if, adverse of condition if unless if not, as long as, provided that, on condition that, adverse of result so that, such as, yeah, adverse of comparison as that, yes, adverse of purpose yes right አሁን የዘረዘርኳቸው to, in order to, so as to, adverse of reason as, because, since እነዚህ subordinate clause ናቸው። ከነዚህ ውስጥ አንዱ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ እንኳን እነዚህን subordinate clauseዎች ከያዘ አረፍተ ነገሩ is a fragment ነው። ለምሳሌ contrast even though the bus comes on time ቢል is a fragment። ምንም እንኳን መኪናው በሰዓት ቢመጣም ታዲያስ ምን ተፈጠረ? is a fragment። እንደውም although even though የሚለውን ቃል ሳይ ይሄ dependent clause ነው። ስለዚህ dependent clauseዎች main clause ሊሆኑ አይችሉም። የተንጠለጠለ ሐሳብ ነው ያለው። ስለዚህ it's not a kind of sentence. ስለዚህ a fragment of course. if she comes on time ለምሳሌ ብል adverb condition what? if she comes on time, if is a conjunction, it shows possibility, something which is not sure, something which is possibility. it may happen or it can happen. so this is a contrast condition adverb ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ clause ፍራግመንት ትሉታላችሁ። ፍራግመንት። ስለዚህ አንድ ሐሳብ በእነዚህ አድቨርቦች ኮንስትራክት ሆነ ማለት ፍራግመንት ሆነ። ቶታሊ ምን እንለዋለን? ሰቦርዲኔት ክሎዝ እንለዋለን። ይሄ ነው ማለት የፈለጉት። ፕሊዝ ለምሳሌ ክሎዝ ይላችኋል። እዚህ ጋር ምሳሌ ይወስጂ a clause that begins with subordinate conjunction just like because, although, since, while, if, when cannot stand alone. let me give you here. because she was late to school. because she was late to school. What does it sense mean? Does it give complete meaning? because she was late to school. so what is it doesn't have any sense here. there's no main idea, there's no main meaning here. this is called subordinate because the verb the conjunction here is adverb clause of reason. all right, so let me complete it. I won't complete ladgo here. look here. because she was late to school, she missed, look here, she missed the exam please. አለቀው። because she was late to school, she missed the exam. have you seen it? because she was late to school. ምክንያቱም ትምህርት ቤት ዘግታ ስለነበር ፈተናውን አልፏታል ነው። she missed the exam. why did she miss the exam? because she was late to school. okay, because she was how meaningful ነው. because this is the main clause whereas this one is the dependent clause. so ይሄንን በዚህ መልኩ ኮምፕሊት አድርገው አረፍተ ነገሩ የተሟላ ሆነ ማለት ነው። the other one is although, look here, although he had spent years preparing for the exam, although adverb clause of contrast now. so this is a kind of subordinate or dependent clause. Exactly, yeah, because there is a conjunction here. አሁን ይሄን ሐሳብ ሊያሟላ የሚችል ሐሳብ ነው ማሰበው ማለት ስለዚህ ኮማ እዚህ ጋር ከመጣለው although he had spent years preparing for the exam ምንም እንኳን ለፈተና አንድ አመት ቢፈጅበትም ቢወስድም he didn't pass the exam. Yes, ይሄው እንደዚህ ጨረሳችሁ ይሄው although he had spent years preparing for the exam he didn't pass the exam ምንም እንኳን አመታትን ቢያስቆጥርም ፈተናውን ማለፍ አልቻለም ነው ፈተናውን ማለፍ አልቻለም ወስዷል አልቻለም that is right አሁን main clause ከተንለት ቅድም ፍራግመንት የነበረው አሁን complete sense ሰጠን ነው yes complete sense ሰጠን ሌሎች ሐሳቦችን በነገራችን መግለጽ እንችላለን እስኪ as long as I know the reason what kind of subordinate because there is as long as adverb clause of condition ማለት ነው condition ሊገልጽ የሚችል ማለት ስለዚህ ይሄ ፍራግመንት ነው as long as I know him I will tell him the fact please or the truth I will tell him the truth here as long as I know him I know the reason I will tell him the truth as long as I know the reason ምንም እንኳን ምክንያት no as long as if I know the reason I will tell him tomorrow please yes I will tell him tomorrow nice ይሄው አለቀ yes if I know the reason I will tell him tomorrow exactly አሁን meaningful ነው ፍራግመንቱን ወደ ኮምፕሌክስ ሰንተንስ አደረኩት ኮምፕሌክስ ሰንተንስ ናቸው ሁለቱም ምክንያቱም ሰቦርዲኔት ክሎዝ እና ሜን ክሎዝ አለ ኮምፕሌክስ ሰንተንስ ነው አለ whatever complex and compound complex the idea is not fragment ምንም ይሁን types of sentence structure ቢሆንም አረፍተ ነገሩ ፍራግመንት አለ meaningful ሆነ that's one I want to say here here subordinate clause እንዲያርገና እናሳክላለን ሁለተኛው relative clause ነው please ይሄው relative clause please look this one the relative clause fragment ይላቸዋል ያ a clause that begins with relative pronoun አሁን አንድ relative pronoun ማለት እነዚህን that which who whom whose የያዘ አንድ clause dependent ይባላል dependent ሆነ ማለት ደግሞ ካንቶስታ ቅድም አብራራ ሰጥቻለሁ it doesn't stand by itself exactly look here which both is interesting do you get anything from this clause actually this is a clause it's not a phrase አይደለም clause ነው because subject verb structure አለው clause ነው ምንለው ማን አይነት clause ነው relative because there is a relative pronoun word here which relative pronoun which አለ ማለት relative pronoun ነው word and clause relative pronoun ያዘ ማለት relative clause ነው it's part of sentence but it doesn't stand by itself ያረፍተ ነገር ክፍል ነው ነገር ግን ምንድነው ጥገኛ የሆነ ነው በራሱ ግን ሙሉ አይደለም exactly ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ አለብኝ ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር ከዚህ ጋር ሊሄድ የሚችል አረፍተ ነገር ማሰብ ነው yes the book look ይኸውላችሁ the book which he bought is interesting ይኸው nice please which he bought is interesting please ይኸው the book which he bought is interesting ይሄን እስኪ እንደዚህ ላርግና ነው the book which he bought ይሄ ምንድነው ይሄንን relative clause ትሉታላችሁ relative which is dependent ማለት ነው okay it actually identifies or defines what kind of book is this it refers about the noun phrase or the subject book ነው እየገለጸ ያለው ከብታችኋል ቅድም እዚህ ጋር ያለው relative clause ነበር ብያችኋለሁ which both is interesting ብያስቀምጫለሁ dependent ነው አሁን main clause ሰጠው ስለዚህ ይሄ the book የሚለውና is interesting ወስዳችሁ look here is interesting main clause ነው the book is interesting it stands by itself and meaningful ነው which both relative clause ትሉታላችሁ ይሄ ሐሳብ ከዚህ ጋር የሚሄድ ነው which both relative clause ማን ነው ዲፋይን የሚያደርገው the book የሚለውን ዲፋይን ያደርጋል ስለዚህ ልክ እንደዚህ ከሐሳቡ ጋር ሊሄድ የሚችል አረፍተ ነገር ኮንስትራክት ሳደርግ ፍራግመንቱን አስተካከልኩት ማለት the book which both is interesting is a meaning with a meaning please yeah the second example how relative clause fragment እንዴት እንደሚፈጠረው ማሳየው she made an offer on the house that had been on the market for a single day exactly ይሄ ሌላ አይነት ነው ይሄኛው ደግሞ ሌላ አይነት ነው she made an offer on the house this is a main clause that had been on the market for a single day that are been on the market for a single day is the relative clause አያችሁት አይደል ስለዚህ that are been on the market አንደኛ relative pronoun ዛት ይዟል ሁለተኛ በፉል ስቶፕ የታጠረ ነው ይሄ ሌላ ሐሳብ ነው ይሄ ሌላ ሐሳብ ነው ኦኬ ይሄ ሌላ ሐሳብ ስለዚህ ምንድነው መደረግ ያለበት sometimes እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ሲፈጠር ኮምፕሊት ምን ማድረግ ነው ያለብን ይሄን ፉል ስቶፕ እናስወጣና ትን ስሞል ሌተር አድርጋታለሁ ማለት she made an offer on the house that had been on the market for a single day exactly here on the house that had been on the market for a single day is the relative clause please here ይሄ ይውትላችሁ ይሄ relative clause ነው but መጀመሪያው ላይ ግን is a dependent clause because there is a period this idea is one main clause and this is one idea but it doesn't give meaning because it's dependent and the clause begins with relative pronoun that exactly ስለዚህ I can avoid the period and write or put the capital letter into small letter and I conjugate with the first main clause so this is called correcting of fragment sentence exactly this is another way አንዳንድ ጊዜ ይሄ advanced level ነው በተለይ advanced level ነው critical thinking ይፈልጋል this focus attention ይፈልጋል focus attention ማለት what is the error here what kind of fragment is this ሁሉ ጊዜ ከተለምዶ አንዳንድ ጊዜ መውጣት አለብን ሲምፕሊ እንደዛ እንደቀድሙ ከሆነ አስቸግረንም እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ሲመጣ እዚ fragment what kind of sentence error fragment ነው because this is one which is different main clause ነው ምንድነው this also another clause ነው but it doesn't stand by itself what kind of clause relative clause ለምን በሪላቲቭ pronoun ዛት ስለጀመረ ሁለተኛው የሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ አይነት ይሄ ነው ሶስተኛው ፍራግመንት የሚፈጥር appositive fragment እንለዋለን appositive fragment what's appositive fragment is appositive fragment ማለት በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ የአረፍተ ነገሩ ባለቤት ስም ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም noun phrase ሊሆን ይችላል ልብ አድርጉ the conference was እዚህ ጋር the conference is called a noun phrase please here is a noun phrase because there is definite article here conference by itself is a noun so it is a noun phrase please because the word is a noun ይሄ noun phrase በዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ሌላ ስምን ሪኔም ያደርጋል yes ከዚህ በተጨማሪ ሌላ ስምን ሪኔም ያደርጋል ነገር ግን ሪኔም ሲያደርግ ከዚህ ጋር ዲስኮኔክትድ ሆኗል ተያያዥነት የለውም there is a kind of punctuation mark between the first and the second sentence so in this case it doesn't rename it please all right ሪኔም ያደርገዋል ነው ስለዚህ ሪኔም አደረገው ማለት ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ ራሱን ችሎ ይቆም አይደለም ፍራግመንት አደረገው ምን አይነት ፍራግመንት appositive fragment yes and now rename is another noun right beside it when it's connected it becomes a fragment look ለምሳሌ the conference brought together leaders from every sector period this is a main clause the conference brought together leaders from every corner exactly ይሄ main clause ነው a gathering of minds unparalleled in its scope ይላቸዋል look here yes ተመልከቱ a gathering of minds unparalleled in this scope ይላቸዋል ይሄ ስለዚህ ምንድነው a gathering of minds የሚለው ይሄ ሐሳብ የማን ሁለተኛ ስም ነው the conference የሚል ሁለተኛ ስም ነው ነገር ግን የተቀመጠው ዲስኮኔክትድ ሆነው ሐሳባቸው ተያያዟል ለቤተቀመጠው ሪኔም አደረገ ኮንፈረንስ የሚለውን gathering of minds የሚለው ሪኔም አደረገ እንደገና ስም ሰጠው ግን disconnected ሆነው የተቀመጡት look here disconnected ማለት look here there is a full stop here or a period here this is one another which are different idea and this after the period this another sentence which is sentence and of course a dependent clause ነው dependent clause ስለዚህ የተለየ ሆነ ታይዞ የተቀመጡ ነገሮች አይደሉም ይሄ ከሆነ ደግሞ ይሄንን አስተካክለን ስንጽፍ look ይሄን full stop-ን period ማስወጣት ነው ሌላ ነገር የለውም please here comma እዚህ ጋር እንከታለን look here you can just write a comma here and yes make the capital letter into small letter here the conference brought together leaders from every sector a gathering of minds here a gathering of minds is another name for what the conference here አያችሁ አይደል a conference አሁን ትክክል አደረግነው በዚህ መልክ ነው አስተካክለን የምንጽፈው አንዳንድ ጊዜ እንዲህ አይነት ፍራግመንቶች አሉ appositive fragment ማለት ነው ይሄ አድቫንስ ሌቨል ለርነርስ የሚማሩት ነው ዳይሬክትሊ ዝም ብሎ የሆነ ነገር ቆርጠ ላታወጣ ይችላል sometimes እንደዚህ ክሪቲካል ቲንኪንግን የሚፈልጉ ሂድን አይዲያ የሚፈልጉ ፍራግመንቶች አሉ ስለዚህ እነሱን ማየት መቻል ነው ፕሊዝ ያ ናይስ ፕሊዝ ያ the other kind ይሄ ቅድም ያሁን የሰራሁት ነው አክቹአሊ እዚህ ጋር ነው በቀላሉ ያሳየሁት በዚህ መልክ መስራት ትችላላችሁ the same ነው አክቹአሊ ያ ሌላው verbal phraseዎች ፍራግመንትን ይፈጥራሉ the verbal phrase fragment እንላለን verbal phrase fragment ማለት አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በverbal phrase ሲጀምር ምንም ሰብጀክት የሌለው ሲሆን it is incomplete it's a kind of fragment ማለት ነው verbal phrase fragment let me tell you once again verbal phrase a fragment which begins only a kind of verbs and maybe another elements so that kind of fragment is a verbal phrase fragment በቃ verboችን ይዞ incomplete thought-ን የያዘ ሐሳብ ማለት ነው the verb is maybe gerund form ሊሆን ይችላል past participle ሊሆን ይችላል an infinitive ሊሆን ይችላል a verbal phrase እንለዋለን ይሄን ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር he dedicated his life to his work full stop sacrificing everything for his ambition look here there is a period here which is the main clause sacrificing is the gerund here sacrificing everything for his ambition what does sacrificing present participle ነው አይደል ይሄ present participle describe የሚያደርገው ማን ነው the speaker he ነው yes this yeah look here he ልብ አድርጉ እዚህ ጋር he dedicates his life to his work ይሄ አንድ ሰብጀክት ለዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ነው sacrificing everything for his ambition ደግሞ gerund ነው what's called participle phrase ነው ይሄ participle phrase ይሄን ሰብጀክት ሂን ሞዲፋይ አድርግም ዲስክራይብ ያደርግ because they are disconnected ማለት ሁለቱ አረፍተ ነገሮች በፔሪድ ታጥረዋል ይሄ ሌላ ጉዳይ ነው ይሄኛው ሌላ ጉዳይ ነው have you seen it yeah ስለዚህ ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር አሳክሎ ለማስቀመጥ ይሄን ማስወገድ ነው ይሄንን እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ፔሪድ ታስወግዳላችሁ look here ይሄን ታስወግዳላችሁ so you can write please yeah so you can write እሱን ፔሪድን ታስወጡና look here እቺኛውም እንደውም ታራቆት small letter አድርጓት yeah exactly here he dedicated his life to his work comma sacrificing everything for his ambition who is sacrificing the speaker here አሁን connected ሆኑ ማለት ይሄ participle phrase የሚገልጸው ነው ሰብጀክቱን ይሄ ነው በኮማ ተለየ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት he dedicated his life to his work comma sacrificing everything for his ambition so this called dependent clause ነው ይሄኛው independent clause ነው complete sentence ሆነ that is please ይሄ ነው verbal phrase ማለት nice their ultimate goal was clear yes their ultimate goal was clear to revolutionize the entire industry please yeah this is called an infinitive phrase look here the ultimate goal was clear which is main clause now to revolutionize the entire industry an infinitive phrase ነው an infinitive phrase ይሄ infinitive phrase ከዚህ main clause ጋር ምንም አይነት relationship የለም disconnected ሆኖ ተራርቀው የተቀመጡት have you seen it yeah because there is a period here so to make it the theme አሁን ኛ focus attentionአችን ይሄ main clause ነው to revolutionize the entire industry ምንም ትርጉም ሌስ የማይሰጥ infinitive phrase የሆነ verbal phrase infinitive verbal phrase ማለት ነው አይደል ትርጉም ያለው ይሄን ነው አሳክለ መጻፍ የሚገ ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረግ የሚገባ ነው እኔ I can remove this one please and I can write just a colon and I can write in lowercase letter for the letter T please I can make it correct here yeah? The ultimate goal was clear yes to revolutionize the entire industry meaningful sentence here look here I think የተግባባን እዚህ ኮለን ተከተተ አሁን አረፍተ ነገሩን አስተካከልኩት ማለት ነው yes አረፍተ ነገሩን አስተካከልኩት ማለት ነው የተግባባን ይመስለኛል ያ nice please yeah ሶስተኛው ምሳሌ have applied the vacancies አለ have applied the vacancies ይሄ ክሊር ነው actually yeah have applied the vacancies ይሄ ፍራግመንት በምን ጀመረ በauxiliary verb ጀመረ ስለዚህ ምን ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው subject ይፈልጋል the applicants yeah the applicants look here sorry the applicants yeah the applicants have applied here the applicants have applied the vacancies Yes, the applicants have applied the vacancies. Exactly. ትክክል ነው። applicant የሚሆን subject noun phrase ከተርኩ በጣም meaningful ነው። They have applied the vacancies. The students have applied the vacancies. Of course possible now. Yes, of course possible now. And we can just add some more and make complete sentence. ይሄ ብቻ ላይሆን ይችላል። Very critical and specific አድርገን complete እናደርገው እንችላለን. Yes. Number 5 ላይ ሄዱ። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር number 5. This is number 4. Number 4 here. Number 4 here. And this is number ይሄኛው አራተኛ ነው። ይሄኛው እንደው ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ይሄኛው አምስተኛ ነው። Yes. Is taking place during the rain season. ይሄም እንደዚህ ነው። በpresent continuous ነው የጀመረው። ይሄም ምንድነው? verbal phrase ነው። ለምሳሌ the fire just planting trees taking place during the rain season. Yes, planting trees taking place during the rain season. Of course, more ይችላል. planting trees taking place, or you can say it. Look here, plowing the land. Yes, ሁለተኛ ምሳሌ plowing the land is taking place. Yes, plowing the land is taking place. Plowing the land is taking place. Look here, is taking place during the rain season. ይሄም ይቻላል። plowing the land እንደዚህ ማለት እንችላለን። ፕሊዝ ሌሎች መንገዶች መጠቀም ይቻላል። ሌላ አረፍተ ነገር ኮምፕሊት ሴንስ ሊሰጠኝ የሚችል planting trees is taking place during the rain season. Plowing the land is taking place. Or sowing crops is. Yes, sowing crops is. ሌላ ምሳሌ ምሰጣቸው sowing crops. ይሄው ሌላ ምሳሌ sowing crops is taking place during the rain season. ሶስት መንገድ ነው የሰጠኋቸው። በዘር መዝራት በዝናባማ ሰዓት ነው የሚከናወነው፣ ወይም መሬት ማረስ በዝናባማ ሰዓት ነው የሚከናወነው። በዝናባማ ወራት ይከናወናል። ዛፎችን መትከል በዝናባማ ሰዓት ይከናወናል። All are the possible ways of completing for this verbal phrase to make meaningful. ስለዚህ ፍራግመንቱን subject ከትችስ ፍራግመንቱን አስወገድኩት ማለት ነው። all right, the last question here is noun phraseዎች. look here, noun phraseዎች አሁንም ፍራግመንት ይፈጥራሉ ነው። yes, look here, noun phraseዎች ፍራግመንት because there is a subject but there is no predicate ማለት ነው። በሌላ አገላለጽ አረፍተ ነገሩ subject አለው፣ ባለቤት ግን የለውም። the ambassadors and the ministers. Do you get anything from this? Does it give sense? No meaning of, because there is no predicate here. The two front fighters, no meaning at all, because there's a noun and noun phrase which has a subject. This is called a fragment. Okay, this is a fragment, no meaning at all. ስለዚህ the ambassadors and the ministers have a meeting. Yes, have a meeting. Yes, have a meeting in Hilton Hotel. Yeah, Hilton Hotel. ይኸውላችሁ look at the ambassadors and the ministers have a meeting in Hilton Hotel. Definitely meaningful ነው። ያ predicate ጨመርኩበት ተረዱ። the ambassadors and the ministers have left the country for a conference in America. Yes, the ambassadors and the ministers have left the country for a meeting in America, or for a conference in America. Right, how to a conference in America. These are meaningful sentences. ልክ በዚህ መልክ እያሳከሉ ነው። Number 2, look here. The two front fighters fight each other. Yeah, fight each other. Yes, the two front fighters. Look here. The two front fighters fight each other. How meaningful አደረኩት? ይኸውላችሁ meaningful ካልሆነ እንደገና ደግሞ እንደዚህ እናደርገው እንችላለን please. Yes, the two front fighters do not stop fighting. Do not stop fighting. ሌላ the two front fighters fight each other. Do not stop fighting. Yes, of course possible ነው። ይሄም possible ልክ እንደዚህ እያደረኩኝ ፍራግመንት ምን አደረኩት? complete meaning እንዲሰጥ አደረኩት ነው። yes, complete meaning አደረኩት። these are ways of creating fragments. how fragment occurs, how we can correct it, what makes the fragment የሚያሳዩ ነገሮች ዋናዎቹ እነዚህ ናቸው። subordinate clause, relative clause, appositive fragments, verbal phrase. Noun phrases make the sentence fragment. If that is fragment, it doesn't convey meaningful. It doesn't stand by itself. So it affects sentence clarity. ደሽሪ እንደዛ ከሆነ ደግሞ የአረፍተ ነገሩን ትርጉምን ያደርገዋል፣ ትርጉሙን ያሳጠዋል። yes የአረፍተ ነገሩን ትርጉምን ያዝ ትርጉም ካጣ ደግሞ ምን ጽሁፍ meaningless ነው ማለት ነው። right meaningless ነው። This is what I want to share about my experience about sentence errors, especially what fragments and how fragments occur in a sentence and how can we create fragments here. As soon as possible, I use my master tongue to explain more and in detail. I hope you will get some key pointers. I hope and you write a very, very, very meaningful sentence here. Next time, I'm going to give you a clear examples or questions focusing on sentence fragment and sentence errors. So, thank you for the time being. This is from Family Lake with Mr. Kabada. Thank you very much, my friends, please.